Welcome, today I'm going to show you how to set up GameHub emulator on your mobile. So now you can play PC games and other emulator games on your mobile through only one emulator. So you can run remote play, other emulators on your own device with just one app. So how to do that? First you need to go to GameHub official website and click on Android download. Now it will start an APK file download on your mobile device. After you download it and install it, you need to open it. And from here, you need to sign in to your account. So you can just sign in with normal email, sign in with Google, or you can even sign in with Apple ID as see from here. After you verified your account and sign into your account, you can now actually just customize your profile. So you can choose an emoji for your profile as see from here. Just click on the circle, and now you can choose one of these emojis. After you do so, now you need to write your username ID so other GameHub users can identify you. After that, now you need to allow some permissions for the app, so you can allow it to display over other apps, and you can allow the audio from your device. So after you do so, now you can hop onto the GameHub dashboard, I'll see from here. So from here you will see a lot of big games titles that you can emulate. Also you can use remote play and other emulator apps. So now you can use remote play from this app to stream your PlayStation games. Also you can download new emulator games from your PC and stream your games from this app. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.